Have you ever ordered prescription glasses online and found yourself puzzled about your pupillary distance, or PD? PD is the distance in millimeters between the centers of your pupils and is crucial for ensuring your lenses align perfectly with your eyes. If your prescription includes your PD, it might be listed as a single number, typically around 64. However, if there's a difference in measurement between the bridge of your nose and the center of each eye, your PD could be listed as two numbers, like 32 and 31. This separation is particularly important to ensure each lens is precisely tailored to each eye's needs. If you don't see this number on your prescription or it's your first time ordering glasses, don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's a quick guide to measuring it at home. Step 1. Stand 8 inches away from a mirror. Step 2. Hold a ruler against your brow. Step 3. Close your right eye and align the ruler's 0 millimeters with the center of your left pupil. Step 4. Open your right eye, close the left, and measure the millimeters to the center of your right pupil. Step 5. Measure this 3 times and get the average of all 3 measurements for the most accurate result. That's your PD. An adult PD typically ranges from 57 to 72 millimeters. If you're ordering single vision lenses, you're all set. For progressives or bifocals, you'll also need your near PD, measured similarly but focusing on a closer object like a pen held by a friend. With a friend, Step 1. Prepare a ruler for measurement. Step 2. Have your friend sit and look straight ahead at a distant object. Step 3. Place the ruler on their forehead and align the 0 at the center of their right pupil. Step 4. Cover your left eye to read the number over their left pupil. Step 5. Repeat a few times for accuracy. Get your glasses, including prescription glasses, blue light blockers, and reading glasses from eyecandies.com now.